Welcome to EduTap, and also welcome to the 5-minute series that we have started for the upcoming NABARD graded 2021 exam. So friends, if you are new to our channel, I request you to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as Telegram channel so that the daily dose of free sessions and the free content that we upload can be utilized for your exam preparation. So friends, still perplexed with the changed pattern? Don't worry, we have you covered. We have already launched a comprehensive course for NABARD grade A, and for which we are offering a flat 40% off, and today is the last day for that. And if you want to avail this and avail the discount and buy the course, you can use the code NABARD40 and avail it. So friends, today we are going to do two very important news that are important for your upcoming NABARD grade A exam, of which one is the KVIC's unique project called as BOLD. Now this Khadi and Village Industries Commission, they have initiated this project Bamboo Oasis on lands in drought, which is actually a first of its kind initiative in India, and they have started this in a tribal village Nichla Mandwa in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Now this is considered to be the unique feature because the major objective of it is to reduce the desertification, at the same time provide the livelihood, which is both are the national objectives currently. And this, what it does is it creates a bamboo based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zones, and thereby land degradation can be reduced and also prevent desertification, which is again a call that has been given by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So friends, as part of this initiative, what they have done is, that is KVIC has done is, they have planted 5,000 saplings, the baby plants of bamboo species Bambusa tulda and Bambusa polymorpha, and they have brought these saplings from all the way from Assam, and they have planted in these in the Udaipur, the village, in 25 biga, that is 16 acres approximately, in the arid lands. And along with this, now KVIC has also created a world record of planting the highest number of bamboo saplings on a single day at a single location. Now this was launched as part of KVIC's Khadi Bamboo Festival, that again is being celebrated as part of the 75 years of our independence, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So friends, next comes important news is the ICAR Institute's anti-methanogenic feed supplement, that is Harit Dhara, which helps to reduce the methane emission from livestock and enhance productivity. Now before going into that details of the product and everything, let's understand what is the importance of this methane and how livestock are associated with these methane emissions. Now if you see an average lactating cow or buffalo in India, it emits around 200 liters of methane a day, while it is 85 to 95 liters of young growing heifers, that is the young buffaloes or cows, and 20 to 25 liters of adult sheep. Now a cow that produces 200 liters of methane, it translates it into 0.714 kg less of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions daily, which again form the a part of the global warming. That is the reason this is very important for the industry to decrease these methane emissions. So friends, now we have seen how an individual cow or buffalo or sheep can emit methane. Now these belching cattle and sheep and goats in India, they are estimated to emit 9.25 million tons of methane annually, out of a global total of 90 million tons plus. So now this methane's global warming potential is 25 times of carbon dioxide over 100 years, and this is a major cause of concern for all of us. So friends, how this Harit Dhara, an anti-methanogenic feed supplement, can help in reducing these methane emissions. It has been observed that Harit Dhara, when fed to the bovines, sheep, etc., it has not only cut down the methane emissions by 17 to 20%, but also it has resulted in higher milk production and higher body weight gain. Now, how does this Haridwara actually act? See, in bovines, in their rumen, it's a part of their stomach. There is a lot of protozoa population or microbes that are majorly responsible for this hydrogen production and making it available to the archaea, the other part of the in the stomach only, for reduction of this carbon dioxide to methane. Now, this Haridwara, it decreases the population of that protozoa, thereby indirectly it decreases the methane production. Now, it has also been observed that feeding 500 grams of Haridwara to lactating cattle and buffaloes, it has been seen that the milk output has been increased by 300 to 400 milliliters per animal per day. So friends, thank you very much for your patient listening, and if you have any queries related to this video or any courses or course offerings, kindly write to us at hello@edutype.co.in, or you can call us on this number 8146207241 during working hours. And thank you very much, and I wish you all a all the best.